Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Wallace, and I am excited to bring to you our stop motion animation extravaganza. First up is a video from fourth grader Madison. Next up is fifth grader Madeline with using herself in her stop motion animation. Next up, we have one of our expert level stop motion animations. This is sixth grader Cody with his own YouTube channel, and he has 3 videos for us that are Lego stop motion animation. And here's part 3 of Cody's YouTube videos. And there we go. Oh, a little more. This next video comes to us from fourth grade Madeline and sixth grade Lauren, 2 sisters that used iPad or iPhones to make a stop motion animation video at home, and they included backgrounds. Take a look at that one again. They've got lots of things moving on their own. Just hard to do. Our next video comes to us from fifth grader Jason and his sister, who is a Grass Lake alum, Paige, and their paper stop motion animation. And I love they put the credits there at the end. Our next video comes to us from fifth grader Jack. Actually, our next two videos come from Jack. Our next video comes to us from sixth grader Nugent, and he combines two classic games, chess and Uno. Our next video comes to us from Nugent. He combines the board game chess with a lot of other games. See if you can spot them all.